How to attract girls without saying anything. The art of attraction is a mysterious dance between two people filled with awkward small talk, sweaty palms, and that constant battle between being smooth and not tripping over your shoelaces. But what if I told you that you could attract girls without even uttering a single word? That's right, young man, you've come to the right place. If you're tired of stumbling over your words or feeling like a bumbling mess when trying to attract the ladies, fear not. In this video, we've got some top-notch tips that will have you winning hearts and leaving them in stitches, all without even saying a word. Are you ready for this silent but hilarious adventure? Now let's go. Smile. Want to know the secret to instantly attracting girls without even saying a word? It's simple. Just smile. Your smile is a superpower that can work wonders in the dating game. Forget the pickup lines and fancy clothes. A genuine smile can make you irresistible to women. Why is a smile so powerful? Well, it's all about the vibes you send out. A smile makes you appear friendly, approachable, and confident, qualities that women find attractive. When you flash a sincere smile, it shows that you're comfortable in your skin and ready to connect with others. But don't just plaster a fake grin on your face. It's all about authenticity. A genuine smile lights up your eyes, lifts your mood, and exudes positive energy. It's contagious, and it can create an instant connection with the woman you're interested in. So next time you're out and about, remember to smile genuinely at the women you encounter. Be present in the moment, engage with them, and let your smile work its magic. And who knows, that winning smile just might be the key to unlocking meaningful connections and romantic interests. So put on your best smile and let the sparks fly. Pay attention to your appearance and grooming. If you're looking to attract girls without even saying a word, then paying attention to your appearance and grooming can play a key role. Here's how to make heads turn with your style. First, dress to impress. Wear clothes that fit you well and make you feel confident. Opt for clean and stylish outfits that showcase your style. Whether it's a casual look or formal attire, dressing well can make you stand out and catch girls' attention. Next, don't forget about good hygiene. Make sure you take regular showers, brush your teeth, and use deodorant. Fresh breath and a clean scent can make a big difference in how you're perceived. Your hair can also be a powerful tool in attracting attention. Get a stylish haircut that suits your face shape and experiment with different hairstyles that match your personality. Well-groomed hair can instantly elevate your appearance and make you more attractive. Take care of your skin as well. Keep your face clean and healthy by washing it regularly and using appropriate skincare products. Clear and glowing skin can enhance your overall look and boost your confidence. Have a firm posture. When it comes to attracting girls, confidence is key, and one powerful way to exude confidence is by maintaining a firm posture. Your posture speaks volumes about your self-esteem and how you view yourself. Think about it. How you carry yourself can make you seem more important than you are. When you walk into a room with your head held high and your shoulders back, you instantly command attention. Women in particular are naturally drawn to men who exude strength and self-assurance. So stand tall and stand proud. Avoid slouching or looking too relaxed, as it can convey a sense of defeat or anxiety. Instead, keep your back straight, your chest out, and your chin up. Walk with purpose and confidence, as if you know exactly where you're headed. A firm posture not only makes you physically taller, but it also makes you psychologically taller. It boosts your self-confidence and sends a signal that you're confident in your skin. Not only does maintaining a firm posture make you more attractive, but it also has numerous health benefits. It can improve your spinal alignment, reduce muscle tension, and even boost your mood and energy levels. So whether you're walking into a room, standing in a social setting, or simply going about your day, pay attention to your posture. It's a simple yet powerful way to make a lasting impression and attract the attention of others, including potential romantic interests. Pay attention to your physique. When you pay attention to your physique, it shows that you value yourself and are committed to self-improvement. Plus, taking care of your body can have a direct impact on how others perceive you. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can help you maintain a healthy weight and have clear skin. Avoiding excessive junk food and sugary drinks can prevent breakouts and give you a natural, healthy glow. Regular exercise doesn't have to be a daunting task. You can start with simple activities like brisk walking, jogging, or cycling. Find something you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Not only will it help you maintain a fit body, but it will also release endorphins, which can improve your mood and confidence. Improving your physique doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and dedication, you'll start noticing positive changes in your body and mindset. And remember, confidence is key. When you feel good about yourself, it radiates outwards, making you more attractive to others. So don't underestimate the power of taking care of your physique. It's not just about the physical benefits, but also the confidence and self-assurance that comes with it. Hang out in the same places. Are you crushing on a girl but don't know how to approach her without saying a word? Well, here's a sneaky trick that might just work. Hang out in the same places. If you happen to bump into her at a coffee shop, park, or another location, make sure you spend more time in that area with your friends. By simply being in the same place as her, you can increase your chances of catching her eye and piquing her interest. When you hang out in the same places, you create opportunities for casual interactions. You might strike up a conversation while waiting in line for your morning brew or end up in a friendly competition at the park. These unplanned encounters can help you establish a sense of familiarity and comfort with the girl, making it easier to approach her in the future. But remember, it's important to be respectful and not come across as stalking or invading her space. Don't force interactions or make her feel uncomfortable. Instead, focus on being yourself and enjoying the moment. Be friendly, approachable, and genuine. Hanging out in the same places can also give you a chance to showcase your positive qualities, show off your interests, hobbies, and personality while you're in that location. If you're at a coffee shop, for example, you could bring along a book or a sketch pad to display your creativity or strike up a conversation about your shared love for caffeine. Get ready. Always being ready is a simple yet effective trick to attract girls without even saying a word. Every little detail matters when it comes to making an impression on someone you're interested in. Girls notice when you fix your clothes or hair around them. It shows that you care about your appearance and are putting effort into looking your best. This attention to detail can easily convey your interest in her without you having to say a word. By always being prepared and looking your best, you're sending a clear signal that you value your appearance and take pride in yourself. It shows that you're confident and have a sense of style that can be very attractive to girls. So don't be shy about adjusting your clothes or grooming yourself when you're around the girl you're interested in. It's a subtle yet effective way to catch her attention and show her that you're interested in making a good impression. When you take the time to look your best, it not only makes you more attractive, but also eliminates any doubts she may have about your interest in her. It's a small effort that can go a long way in making her feel flattered and appreciated. Show off what you're good at. It's time to show off what you're good at and let your skills shine. Having a unique talent, skill, or hobby can be a major attraction point when it comes to attracting girls. When you're passionate about something and excel in it, it adds a layer of intrigue and makes you stand out from the crowd. Maybe you're an amazing cook who can whip up gourmet meals with ease, or perhaps you're a skilled musician who can strum a guitar or play the piano like a pro. It could be that you're a talented artist who can create beautiful works of art with your hands. Whatever it is, don't be shy about showcasing your talents. When you're engaged in doing something you're good at, you exude confidence and passion, which are incredibly attractive qualities. It shows that you're not afraid to pursue your passions and have a sense of purpose in your life. Additionally, being good at something gives you something interesting to talk about and share with others. It can be a great conversation starter and help you connect with girls on a deeper level. Sharing your talent can also give you opportunities for shared experiences, such as cooking a meal together or jamming out to music. So don't be afraid to show off what you're good at. Embrace your talents and let them be a part of your unique charm. Girls appreciate individuals who are passionate, skilled, and confident, so let your talents shine and make a lasting impression. Maintain fluid eye contact. Imagine you walk into a room looking your absolute best, feeling confident and ready to make an impression on that special someone. You catch her eye and you want to approach her, but you're not quite sure how to make that first move. Well, here's a secret weapon in your arsenal: maintaining fluid eye contact. Now, we're not talking about staring intensely like you're in a staring contest. No, that's a surefire way to scare someone off. We're talking about a balanced approach that exudes confidence and approachability. Start by making deliberate eye contact with her. Lock your gaze with a genuine smile and let her know you're interested. But here's the trick: don't hold it for too long. You don't want to come across as a creepy stalker. After a few seconds, casually look away as if you're just taking a glance around the room. Why does this work? Well, it's like a dance of connection. You show her you are interested, but you also give her space and respect her boundaries. It's a subtle yet powerful move that can make her curious and intrigued, and it sets the stage for a potential conversation. So the next time you're trying to catch someone's attention, remember the magic of maintaining fluid eye contact. It's a simple yet effective way to make a memorable impression and create an opportunity for a meaningful connection. So, my friend, give it a try today, and who knows, it might just lead you to a romantic adventure. We hope you know how to attract girls without saying anything. Kindly click the like button if you like the video, subscribe and smash the notification bell for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.